What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna have a super quick unboxing video. I did not expect myself to have the chance to really do an unboxing video for this pair, and it all happened because like last night I went to my friend's place for a New Year party. One of them decided to show up with this pair, the Travis Scott, the black Phantom, like the all black one. And of course I noticed right away, I approach him like, yo bro, you gotta let me do an unboxing video please. Like, and he's like, bet, but you gotta switch up the laces for me. So, of course, I did it for him. I'm not going to say much, but all I can say is, man, this pair is more than you thought. Like, it's so much better in person, or once you hold it in person. Anyway, let's just get started. Looking at the box, the cover, instead of, the fragments, you get the translucent cover. You get a smoke blackout finish. Actually, look closer to it. There's actually some details, the sicko mode, the Air Jordan Wins logo, Nike Air. It's a traditional Nike Air Jordan 1 box, but instead of, like when you look at the mochas, everything, when it comes to Nike swoosh, they do like different color, but instead they do like completely blacked out again. So, you can't really, you can see it still, but let's get it out. Oh, and look at this. Look at this. You see the freaking bandana right here. Ooh, man, I'm gonna just take it one out at the time. So, it's a little different. Bam. Whew. The Travis Scott Jordan 1 low, the black Phantom. Said I already put on the red laces for my friend. Man, look at this pair. First thing first. Man, it smells amazing. Whew. But yeah, man, this pair is clean, holy moly. But anyway, let's put this on the side first and take a look at the bandana. Some super cool details right here. So you can see like the Jumpman logo, the sicko mode. So it's just not like a normal bandana. It's like pretty well designed and stuff like that. It's super cool to see, Jordan brand decided to do stuff like that. Right here it says Cactus Jack. Right here, I can see or not. We really just gotta take 3 seconds to really look at the shoes, appreciate the shoes, and you're gonna realize that the shoes is amazing. Like, man, especially with the red laces on. Love the quality. I mean, the material, the suede, it's easy. It's pretty much like the mocha. They have a similar suede finish on the side. Yeah, I love this pair still. But anyway, so when you look at the toe, like from the side and the back right here, you kind of get the hairly suede as well. It's not like suede, but it's kind of like suede, but it's hairly a little bit. Man, this is gorgeous. Of course, right here you got the Wins logo right here. I'm gonna take out the other pair. It's right here. Oh, this pair is so hard. Man, how can you not like this, man? So, I apologize. I don't know what this is. It's like a bee or something. I don't know what that is, but I wish I could put like a, pretty much like the sicko mode, something like that would be cool. You probably couldn't see. There's Cactus Jack right here again. Anyway, coming back, I wouldn't rank this like all the way at the top, in my opinion, I still prefer, I think the mocha has a special place in my heart. So this will be my favorite out of all 4 of them. This pair, the fragments, reverse mocha, and now we see this pair. I believe there's one more colorway coming out, and they might be done with the Jordan 1 low. But anyway, coming back, man, I low-key might prefer this pair over the reverse mocha, even though I don't have that pair. This is a pair you want to be low-key. If you're going for that kind of vibe, this is the perfect pair for you. If you actually want this pair, it's a perfect time to buy. The resale sitting around 700 bucks. I mean, you can't get a better deal. I mean, I can't say you can probably get a steal from like 680 all the way to like 720. I really think that's like the lowest this pair is gonna get, and after that it's gonna go back up to around 800. I don't see this pair to go over 1,000, but it's gonna be the upper 800 to upper 700 to like 900-ish, depends on the sizing, what size you are. But anyway, this should be it. This is the unboxing video for the Travis Scott Jordan 1 low black Phantom. If you really want the shoes and you have the money, man, don't hesitate, just go for it. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram as well, and I'll see y'all soon. Happy New Year. Peace.